Score natin is 40-32. Oras natin is 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 20 seconds of the shot clock. Score 42-34 in favor of Bruce Metal. Oras natin is 4 minutes and 22 seconds. 17 seconds in shot clock. 42-36. 44-36 in favor of Bruce Metal. 60 seconds of the shot clock. 44-30. Push power back. Oras natin is 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Bruce Metal ball. Oras 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 44-40 in favor of Bruce Metal. 30 seconds of the shot clock. Outside. Sabay. Oras 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Push power. Oras natin is 1 minute and 15 seconds. All 44. Oras 1 minute and 48 seconds. 20 seconds of the shot clock. 46-44. No. Eban ball. Score 46-44. 44. Oras natin is 1 minute and 20 seconds. Foul. Number 2nd personal foul. 14 foul. Score 50-45 in favor of Bruce Metal. Oras 1 minute and 4 seconds. 50-46. 59 seconds. Satu shot. Ayo, patuloy. Seconds. 1, 2, 3. 50 seconds. Outside. Hebang ball. 20 seconds of the shot clock. 42 seconds. 13 seconds. 34 seconds. 30 seconds. 27 seconds. Outside. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Violation. Horizontal is 20 seconds. Score 53-46. 18 seconds. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 8 seconds of the 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Score natin 56-48 in favor of Bruce Metal.
Ganda yung video ko yan.
Kaya ba, ay lang, Bruce Metal ba? Third quarter na po tayo, third quarter. Oo, dito tayo. Bruce Metal. Change court tayo, change court. Bruce Metal po tayo. Thirty seconds of the shot clock. Score 48-58 in favor of Bruce Metal. Outside, Bruce Metal ball. Horizontal is 9 minutes and 2 seconds. Score 60-50 in favor of Bruce Metal. Score 60-52 in favor of Bruce Metal. Horizontal is 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Outside. Fifteen seconds of the shot clock. Backcourt violation.
Backward violation! Saan ka dyan?
Horizontal is 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Asawa ko din ate. Matisaw ko. Sino panalo daw? Batay! Sino panalo? Ayun. Yung kulay pink. Pink. Pink yun. Alex Juan.
Score 52-52 in favor of Bruce Metal. Outside in second minute and 15 seconds. Outside.
Dapat
Metal
na
ball.
Dapat pa. Ay, kay Coach Chok. Sana po. Palitan natin. Ito. Coach! Ito. Alam niya na.
Ito, ito. Dapat na yan. Dapat na yan. Depensa!
70 seconds of the shot clock. Foul. Family violation. Family violation. On Saturday, 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Score 62-52 in favor of Bruce Metal.
Dapat daw po dyan. Ha? Dapat daw po. Talaga. Ah, sige. Sige, okay.
Score 62-54. On Saturday, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Hindi sila ko dyan, bobo ah. Dito sila. Tira!
16 seconds of the shot clock. Score 62-56. Next player na. Change 5 po tayo, change 5 po. Score po natin in 64. 56 in favor of Bruce Metal. Odds natin is 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Foul, who's foul, right? Number 18. First team foul. Side ball. Number 18, first personal foul.
Tira, pasok!
Score 67-56. 67-58. Or Saturday is 4 minutes and 8 seconds. 80 seconds of the shot clock. 67-60. Or Saturday is 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Score 67-62. All-star tennis 2 minutes